Working on these split rims is inherently dangerous no matter how you look at it. Do not try this. Leave it for the professionals or people that's been specially trained for it. I got my air bomb tank over there. I'm going to have to blow air from the back side here, which I've got plenty of room. It's just that I have to put my body in there too, which I don't like. But if that doesn't work, I got to pull this thing off of here in order to get it to air up, and I don't want to do that. So I'll get a new O-ring for it, goop it up with all the tire goop, see what happens. I'm going to give an up close of this lock ring and why this isn't going to work. Now I may be able to do this with 2 people, so I may wait till my son gets here and get this on. This ring here has to come in, and that locks this ring in. But that ring is stretched from running it flat. Now I'm going to take it back off there and see if I can reshape it to where it'll have spring tension in like it's supposed to have, and be a little easier to make it work. But you can't take any chances with these split rims. I've had videos on this before. These split rims will cut you in half to take your head off. They're nothing to mess around with. That's a much better fit. But let's see. Okay, after 4 tries that didn't work, so we're going to try something different. But because this video is getting so long and the weather's moving in pretty bad, it's going to be on a different video.